You have made him little less than the angels and crowned him with glory and honor. This line from Psalm 8 resounds from today's first reading and even from today's gospel. And such a wonderful news, a good news to all of us to start our day, that we are no cheap or something little and weak, but God honors all of us so much and gave us glory and honor. Hindi mga kahiya-hiya o mga minamaliit na mga anak ng Diyos, kundi may dangal at kagalang-galang. As God the Father blessed Jesus with this glory and honor that we are all talking about, Jesus was no selfish to this blessing. Noong nagturo siya sa Capernaum at noong pinalaya niya ang lalaking ito na inaalihan ng masamang espiritu, ito pong mga bagay na ito ay siyang pagsasabi lang din sa atin. Ang pagtuturo ni Jesus at ang pagpapalaya ni Jesus ay nagpapaalala sa atin na tila ang Diyos ay nagwiwika, hindi ka dapat minamaliit. Ikaw ay dapat dinadangal at ginagalang. And my dear brothers and sisters, if we are thinking of our value in life, let these readings for today remind us that God wishes us to be honored and to be dignified. Muli, hindi mga minamaliit o tila tao na nawawalan ng saysay sa buhay, but as we holding on to life, to blessings, to occupations maybe, to our faith, to the gift of relationships and family, and to the many graces that we receive. These are but ways how the Lord is He Himself crowning us with honor and glory. If we are thinking how we can embrace this challenge, it is also good to ask ourselves, nang mamaliit ba ako ng tao o minamaliit ko din ba ang sarili ko? Every day is an opportunity to crown others and maybe even our own selves with glory and honor. Your kind words, your assistance, your warmth, your generosity, your prayers, and the many good things that we can do will assure ourselves and others. Tama nga, na sa Diyos at sa bawat isa, hindi tayo kahiya-hiyang tao, dinadangal at minamahal tayong totoo.